Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm going to be making Peru trap beat today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified. I'm going to be making Peru trap beat. It's your best teacher to teach you how to make beats. I'm back today with another teaching. Let's get started. When you launch your FSU, put your cursor like this. Right click. When you right click, just press open here to open your FSU. But for me, I've already launched my FSU. So I'm just going to click here and enter my FSU. That's it. Next step is after launching my FSU, I'm going to click on add, click on these FL keys. I'll start to program my Peru trap beat now. I will left click here. I will left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheels to channel 5. After doing so, I will right click, then press piano roll. I'll start to program my Peru trap beat now. I'll first of all program the first 2 bars. I'll program the first 2 bars, then copy right to bars number 8. That's it. This is how I'm going to program my Peru trap beat. After programming my 2 bars like this, I will left click and hold it, press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. After, I'll click on my channel rack here, click here on add on my screen, click here on my bow bars, and then I'll put my cursor on top of this empty space on my channel rack. This is the empty space here. I will left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheels to channel 6, put my cursor on top of this bow bar, right click and press piano roll. I will start to program my bass melody now. This is how I'm going to program my bass melodies. So I'm going to program my bass melodies. After doing so, I'll click now on my channel rack. This is my hi-hat on channel 3. I'll right click and press piano roll. I'll just program the first bar, then copy right to bars number 8. Inside the bars, I'm putting my snare. After doing so, I'll click on this icon here, put my cursor here, left click, hold it, highlight to left, press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. After doing so, I'll put my cursor here on my snare here. I will right click, then press piano roll. I'll start to program my snare now. At the end of each bar, I'm putting my snare. That's it. After doing so, this is my kick. I will left click, hold it, drag it to channel 1, then right click, then press piano roll. I'll start to program my snare now. That's it. That's my snare and my kick. I'm programming my kick now. I'm going to program my snare. I've finished programming my kick. I'll click on this channel 1, click on this icon, turn the bass knob right up. That's it. On channel 4, I'll click on slot 1, click on my floating parametric EQ2. On slot 2, I'll click on my floating limiter. On my next melody, I'll click on slot 1, click on my floating parametric EQ2. On slot 2 here, I'll click my floating limiter. After doing so, I'll start swapping my melodies. I'll click here like this. I'll keep swapping left and right like this, like this, like this. I'll reverse the polarity by clicking here like this, like this, like this. Then I'm going to turn down the melody a little bit, the 2 melodies a little bit. Then bring up my kick. I'll turn on my kick here. After doing so, this is my playlist. I'll click here where I've written part 1. I'll right click, click split by channel. I'll bring in my kick. I'll bring in my hi-hat. I'll just click on my snare. Just bring in my snare. Click on my FL keys. Bring it into my playlist. Click my bow bars. Bring it into my playlist. After doing so, I'll click here on select. Come here and put my cursor here. Left click, hold it. Highlight to left. Press Ctrl and B. That's it. After doing so, I'll make sure I remove the kick, remove the hi-hat,